To give numbers a currency format, follow the steps shown on the screen. Let's follow these steps to format the numbers under the header Price. I first select all the cells below Price. Second, with the mouse cursor placed on the selected cells, I click the right button of the mouse, and from the floating menu, I select the option Format Cells. Third, I click on the tab Number. Fourth, since I want to format currency, from the category list, I select Currency. Fifth, I fix the decimal places to 2, and I select the dollar symbol from the drop-down list. As you can see, Excel shows how the number will look in the sample area. The negative numbers list is used to select a format for negative numbers. I select the red one enclosed by parentheses. Finally, I click OK. And the contents of the selected cells get formatted. You can also give numbers a currency format by using the dollar button under the Home menu. To do this, follow the steps shown on the screen. Let's try these steps to format the numbers under the header Price. I first select all the cells below Price. Second, I select the Home tab. Third, I click the down arrow in the dollar button and choose the euro currency. As a result, the euro symbol is immediately applied.